どこでもアート Colorful gloves.
Wow, it's snowing. Let's go outside and play.
How about you? Are you ready to have fun? Look at my cool gloves.
Where did you get them?
I made them. Pretty awesome, right? What about you? We don't make gloves, we make stuff with paper and paint. It's so much fun.
Want to make your own gloves? Let's do it together.
First, grab a piece of paper and cut the shape of a glove. You can make it small for little hands, or big for grown-ups. Once you've cut out the gloves, connect them with yarn using a tape. Turn the taped part inside out. Now, the fun part, painting. Dip your brush in water and start painting. When you want to change colors, just wash the brush with water. So pretty and stylish. You can tap the paint on for a fun, splattery look. It's fun. If you have a cloth, press it down gently to make sure the paint stays on. You can add crayon details too. Wow, your gloves are looking awesome with all those colors and patterns. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun crafts.